Video today I'm going to show you how to put a water slide image on a tumbler. So what I did is I printed this image on a water slide piece of paper on my printer using my Cricut design space, and then I sealed it with this Rust-Oleum 2x clear coat. I did this about 3 times at least so that you can seal the image on there so that it doesn't come off. Then I got a bowl of some room temperature water that I'm going to put it in. So you'll want to put this in there. It'll kind of curl up, that's okay, just hold it down in the water. Probably want to soak in here for about 60 seconds. You'll be able to see when it starts to come up off the paper. And then I usually just get the tumbler wet so you can move it around on there once you get it on. I don't know if you can see, but if you can see right here, it's kind of coming off the paper. So I can kind of move it around. Okay, so then you just want to put it on to the cup. Kind of get it off a little bit, and then it'll just slide right off. And then you're able to move it around. Smooth out all the bumps. And then once you have it on there how you would like, you just let it dry, and then you can do your coat of epoxy. And that's it. If you have any questions, please comment below and I will get back to you. Thank you.